everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to tell a story about the fox and the crow. One day the crow was sitting on the branch of a tree. She had a piece of cheese in her beak. The fox was passing by. He saw the crow with cheese. After seeing, his mouth started watering. He thought of a plan. He said to the crow, "Madam Crow, you have such a sweet voice. Can you please sing a song for me?" The silly crow opened her mouth and started singing. The cheese fell down from the crow's beak. The fox took the cheese and walked away happily.